Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Ashish and you're watching Mr. Bhatia in Canada. So today we would be talking about the lockdown which has been happening throughout the Ontario region. You guys might have been aware that Mr. Duckford had recently announced due to the increasing cases of COVID here, there has been really strict measures when it comes to the lockdown. So I'll be sharing few updates with you. If you are an international student or an immigrant who's planning to come here, make sure to please watch this video and get the latest updates. So yeah, let's get started with the updates. So first of all, the major update is that you will not be able to sit inside and eat your food. Yes, indoor dining has been shut down. The capacity has been reduced to zero for indoor dining. And there are so many things which has happened, like gyms have been closed till 17 January. I was supposed to go to college since I think after 10 January, and it got shut down and it came to online learning basically, which has been happening since 2 semesters. I have been studying my course online. So to my knowledge, I think it would be extended for at least 1 month or 2 months, even more. Till now, it's been till 17 January because of the cases, but I hope it does not get more reduced. So the number one update is if you have any emergency surgery that has been postponed to almost 3 weeks. Meanwhile, retail, including shopping malls, have been limited to a capacity of 50%. So I work at Best Buy, right? So the capacity of people coming at Best Buy won't be more than 50% or even 40%. So you can expect a lot of decrease in customers and clients in the coming time. Personal care services are also reduced to 50% capacity. Indoor concerts, theaters and cinemas are also closed now. They won't be able to operate. And capacity of indoor weddings and funerals have also been reduced to 50%. So you can imagine the impact and cases going on here. I've seen a trend when I was in India. The cases were not that much, but in Canada it was rising really steadily. So I see the similar trend. Once the cases are really high here, you will start to see more cases in India as well, because the impact of the virus is usually, I don't know, late in our country, or how does it go, but that's the trend which has been going on. In-person learning won't be there, so you guys can expect less of in-person learning and more of remote learning. So if you are an international student and you're planning to come here, expect remote learning. I think I'm sure classes won't be in person this time as well. And yeah, so indoor meeting and event spaces and public libraries are also in 50% capacity. The indoor gathering has been reduced to 5 people and outdoor has been reduced to 10 people. So yes, this has been the update. Considering the cases of Omicron here in Waterloo or even Canada, I think this is a pretty smart decision of Mr. Duckford to do this. But let's hope this does not get increased and we students don't face the repercussions of it. I'll give you a very brief example. When there was holiday season on like Boxing Day or even Black Friday Day, there were so many customers ready to shop and ready to go out and eat because it was the holiday time. Now it's January, the weather is also so cold here that people tend to live indoors and not go outdoors much. Like they try to spend most of their time just working and spending time with family. The businesses also get slow here in January. So if you are an international student coming in January, make sure to reconsider your options for another spring intake or even September intake. The main reason for that is that you will get more job opportunities in May intake and in September intake. Also, when it comes to prices of rent or even accommodation, I have so many friends looking for accommodation right now, and it's really hard to get accommodation there. I'm sure you will be able to get sublets from January or even February, but it's really hard to find the accommodation. So yeah, that's about it. This was the update I wanted to share with you guys. Make sure to share in comments what all topics you want me to cover as an international student. Are you interested in vlogs as well? Because I love making vlogs. I used to make vlogs, but sadly I've not shared it with you guys yet. But you get to see the different side of me as well, a more funny side. So yeah, make sure to please subscribe to my channel. I am new to YouTube, so if you subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up, YouTube feels that this video should be promoted. So share your love and share your support, and hope to see you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.